Basic principles in preparing and enjoying vegetarian food. Vegetarianism is becoming more and more popular as people become aware of the benefits to their health and the environment. However, many people struggle to cook and enjoy vegetarian food because they are used to relying on meat and animal products for flavor and nutrition. In this article, we will explore the basic principles of cooking and enjoying vegetarian food and how you can create delicacies. Are used to relying on meat and animal products for flavor and nutrition. In this article, we will explore the basic principles of cooking and enjoying vegetarian food and how you can create delicacies. Us and satisfying meals without meat. Principle 1: Get creative with plant-based ingredients. One of the most important principles of cooking vegetarian food is to get creative with plant-based ingredients. This means experimenting with different vegetables, grains, legumes, and spices to create dishes that are flavorful, nutritious, and satisfying. Dishes that are flavorful, nutritious, and satisfying. For example, instead of relying on meat for protein, you can use ingredients like tofu, tempeh, lentils, and quinoa. These plant-based proteins are versatile and can be used in a variety of dishes. Stir-fries and curries to salads and soups. Stir-fries and curries to salads and soups. You can also experiment with different vegetables to add flavor and texture to your dishes. For example, roasted sweet potatoes, sautéed mushrooms, and grilled asparagus can add depth and complexity. A meal. A meal. Finally, don't be afraid to experiment with spices and herbs. These can add a lot of flavor to your dishes and can help to create a more satisfying and interesting meal. Some examples of common spice and herbs used in vegetarian cooking include cumin, coriander, turmeric, basil, and thyme. And herbs used in vegetarian cooking include cumin, coriander, turmeric, basil, and thyme. Principle 2: Focus on whole foods. Another important principle of cooking and enjoying vegetarian food is to focus on whole foods. This means choosing foods that are as close to their natural state as possible, rather than relying on processed or packaged foods. Processed or packaged foods. Whole foods are generally more nutritious and contain more fiber, vitamins, and minerals than processed foods. They can also be more filling and satisfying, which can help to reduce cravings and overeating. Some examples of whole foods that are commonly used in vegetarian cooking include whole grains like brown rice and quinoa, fresh fruits and vegetables, and legumes like chickpeas and lentils. These odds can be used to create a variety of dishes, from salads and soups to stews and casseroles. Odds can be used to create a variety of dishes, from salads and soups to stews and casseroles. Principle 3: Use healthy cooking techniques. In addition to choosing healthy ingredients, it is also important to use healthy cooking techniques when preparing vegetarian food. This means avoiding methods that involve a lot of added fat, salt,